Effective February 11, 2025, Globalstar will implement a 1-for-15 reverse stock split and voluntarily transfer the listing of its common stock from the NYSE American to the Nasdaq Global Select Market. The move aims to enhance visibility, attract a more diverse shareholder base, and improve overall liquidity. The reverse stock split will result in every 15 shares of issued and outstanding common stock being combined into one share without any change in par value per share. The company expects its common stock to begin trading on Nasdaq on a split-adjusted basis under new CUSIP number on February 11, 2025. Then at Smart Energy Week 2025 in Tokyo, Microvast will showcase its next-generation high-performance, fast-charging battery solutions that emphasize rapid charging, extended cycle life, superior safety, and seamless system integration. Microvast's batteries can achieve an 80% charge state in just 15 minutes under standard power conditions, reducing operational downtime. They offer an industry-leading lifespan of up to 8,000 full charge-discharge cycles, making them suitable for heavy-duty applications such as commercial vehicles. The company will also unveil its groundbreaking ME6 battery energy storage system, built around a high-performance lithium iron phosphate battery cell and engineered to meet the demanding needs of BESS customers. Continuing on with energy, Nanonuclear Energy has partnered with robotics firm A Robotics Company to oversee the construction of its demonstration facility in Westchester County, New York. Under the agreement, A Robotics will manage the build-out of non-nuclear elements necessary for Nanonuclear's 4 reactors operation, including the fabrication of custom sensors and equipment needed to evaluate demonstration components. This partnership will support Nanonuclear's ongoing SBIR Phase 3 project for its annular linear induction pump, ALAP technology, a key enabling technology within Nanonuclear's suite of advanced nuclear energy systems. ALIP is a key enabling technology for Nanonuclear's suite of nuclear microreactors and addresses challenges in high-efficiency thermal fluid management for clean energy and high-temperature industrial processes based on electromagnetic pumps rather than mechanical ones. The purpose-built facility will be used to demonstrate several non-nuclear parts and components of Nanonuclear's 4 nuclear microreactors currently under development. The demonstration facility will enhance Nanonuclear's ability to support New York State's pursuit of cost-effective alternatives to heavily polluting carbon-based energy sources and intermittent options such as wind or solar. The facility is expected to be operational this spring. Nanonuclear Energy also partnered with Thermal Engineering International to develop and fabricate several heat exchangers for its portable Odin nuclear microreactor in development. TEI will work on developing detailed designs for primary and secondary heat exchangers while collaborating with Nanonuclear's technical team. The heat transfer systems are essential components within the portable Odin microreactor, marking a significant milestone in advancing the reactor toward demonstration, regulatory licensing, and eventual market introduction. Elsewhere, Newegg experienced high demand for the launch of NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs, selling out its initial inventory within minutes. The surge in user engagement highlighted the product's popularity with gamers and content creators. Newegg offered a wide range of RTX 50 series GPUs from various manufacturers, and also introduced pre-built gaming desktops featuring these GPUs. Despite the fast sellout, Newegg plans to release more inventory in real time as stock becomes available, and customers can follow them on social media for restock alerts. Lastly, Ocean Power Technologies secured $2 million in purchase orders for its next-generation power buoys in Latin America. The order is for the firm's wave, solar, and wind-powered buoys that can be deployed in water depths ranging from coastal to deep ocean. The systems are equipped with a range of communication solutions and support payloads above and below the surface. The deal underlines growing demand for OPT's low-carbon marine power, data, and service offerings, as well as solidifying its position as a leader in maritime robotics and intelligence, said CEO Philip Stratman. For more on Ocean Power Technologies and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.